Welcome to this explainer. If you're sitting in the C-suite right now, you know firsthand that the business landscape is shifting faster than, well, literally any point in modern history. Today, we're looking at the absolute existential necessity of artificial intelligence in your day-to-day operations and your human capital strategy. We're not just talking about playing around with a trendy new tech toy here. This is a strategic briefing on how to actually survive and absolutely thrive by integrating AI into your outsourcing models. We're going to break down exactly what the data is telling us, and frankly, the data is staggering.
Take a look at this number, 75%. I want to hit you right between the eyes with this one because it completely sets the stakes for everything we're about to discuss. According to a massive, essential study by Accenture, 3 out of 4 C-suite executives believe that if they don't scale AI in their operations over the next 5 years, they risk going out of business entirely. Like, completely obsolete. Just let that sink in for a second. Scaling AI is no longer some fun innovation project for the IT department, right? It is literally the core engine for your future business survival. So, here's our roadmap for this briefing. We're going to cover 1. The executive AI imperative. 2. Slashing costs and scaling efficiency. 3. Transforming customer experience. 4. The human capital shift. And finally, number 5, your strategic next steps. All right, let's dive right into pillar number 1, the executive AI imperative.
Because ignoring AI integration, it's simply no longer an option if you want to stay ahead. The old ways of doing business, even the old ways of traditional outsourcing, are getting a radical upgrade. And the data paints a crystal clear picture of why. Bringing that Accenture quote back to the forefront, it really frames AI not as a luxury, but as the absolute lifeblood of your strategic roadmap. I mean, when your peers and competitors are basically operating under the mindset of scale AI or die, you absolutely cannot afford to sit on the sidelines. The market is moving fast, and advanced tech is the vehicle driving it. So what exactly do we mean when we talk about this? Well, AI integration in outsourcing is basically the adoption of machine learning, automation, and advanced AI tools to replace routine, time-consuming tasks with highly efficient, data-driven precision. It's charmingly simple on paper, but incredibly powerful when you actually execute it. Think of it like this. By leveraging these advanced algorithms, you're effectively taking the absolute most mundane parts of your operational workflow and putting them on autopilot. And that frees up your business to do what it actually does best.
Moving right along to section 2, slashing costs and scaling efficiency.
Now let's look at the hard data from the Harvard Business Review. They looked at businesses that integrated AI into their sales and marketing ops, and the metrics are just wild. They saw over a 50% growth in lead generation, and at the exact same time, call times plummeted by 60 to 70%. So what's the result? A massive mathematical advantage, leading to cost savings of up to 40 to 60%. You're getting faster, you're getting smarter, and you are drastically cutting operational bleed all at once.
But let's compound that a bit. 70%. Standard outsourcing alone can already save your business up to 70% in staff costs, all while giving you access to world-class offshore professionals. Now, imagine what happens when you pair that standard outsourcing with the advanced algorithms and data-driven insights of AI. You get this incredible compounding effect. You're combining lower-cost human labor with highly efficient machine precision. Honestly, it's an absolute game changer for your balance sheet. Okay, let's shift gears to section 3. Transforming customer experience.
Because it's not just about cutting costs, right? It's also about driving customized revenue. AI dynamically elevates your service standards across the board. By using AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, companies can deliver synchronous, real-time chat support. And these systems process huge volumes of information instantly, which means literally zero wait times for your clients. But the best part is, it's not just fast, it's smart. It offers highly customized solutions and uses predictive pattern recognition to handle inquiries and complaints with a level of effectiveness that human operators alone just can't match that kind of scale. The real magic here is that AI elegantly works with vast oceans of data to understand exactly how customers interact with your business. It remembers their past experiences, it notes their preferences, and it actually proactively improves future services. It's making these brilliant, smarter decisions on the fly, offering hyper-personalized solutions that genuinely make your customers feel seen and valued. And it's doing the whole shebang at light speed.
Which brings us to section 4, the human capital shift. Now, I know there is a lot of anxiety around job displacement whenever we start talking about automation. It's the elephant in the boardroom. But we really need to reframe that narrative entirely. According to a brilliant study by the World Economic Forum, yes, AI and automation may displace around 75 million jobs by 2025. But check out the flip side of that. It's also going to result in the emergence of 133 million entirely new roles. So AI is actually a net positive job creator. It's creating over 50 million more opportunities than it's taking away. The big question, of course, is what exactly are these new roles? Well, this demands a pretty proactive pivot from HR leaders. On one side, we've got your routine admin tasks, stuff like data entry, standard processing. That's all being automated and outsourced now. But on the other side, this is your brand new HR focus, unique human skills. The new roles emerging require emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, strategic creativity, and genuine relationship building. You've got to shift your human capital away from acting like machines and really empower them to lean into what makes them uniquely human. So the big takeaway here is actually incredibly optimistic. AI isn't going to replace human labor, it's going to elegantly enhance it. The future of your workforce is all about wonderful collaboration. It's humans and AI working together in total harmony. The AI handles the vast data processing and the boring routine tasks, while your newly upskilled human workforce drives the strategy, the empathy, and the innovation. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, Strategic Next Steps. Because understanding this landscape is only half the battle, right? Decisive action is what actually separates the winners from the obsolete. So here is your immediate action plan for the C-suite. Step 1, embrace these AI tools immediately. If you don't use them to stay digitally competitive, I guarantee your competitors will. Step 2, aggressively optimize by outsourcing those routine administrative processes. Let AI and offshore talent handle the heavy lifting so you can dramatically cut costs. And step 3, invest in your brilliant workforce. Upskill your human talent so they're totally ready to step into those 133 million new high-value roles we just talked about. I want to leave you with a final, somewhat provocative thought to take back to your next executive board meeting. Based on everything we've just unpacked from the data today, you have a pretty stark but inspiring choice in front of you. Are you actively scaling your AI capabilities to transform your business today? Or are you just quietly waiting for obsolescence? The tools are right here, the blueprint is clear, and the future absolutely belongs to those who act now.